Di ko alam talaga.
Hindi mo alam. There's so many terms for upuan.
Mesa. Di ko alam.
Okay.
I would just always
Marami. Merong
po.
salungpuit. May silya. Bangkuan.
Yun. Actually, I knew Celia. I heard of that. But I didn't know. What was the
Oh,
one?
silya.
What?
Bangkuan.
What was the first one you said?
Salumpuit.
Talaga?
Like puwit
Bak
catch.
I never heard anyone say that.
It's like a um very Tagalog word that no one uses anymore.
There you go. I'll lose that one.
Okay, next. Ang hirap naman.
This is a good question.
Diba? Cap or hat?
Sombrero.
Tagalog.
Sombrero.
Oh my gosh, kailangan ko ng hirapan nakakahabol na si Frankie.
Like, di ba? Ay, kailangan ko. Kaya ko.
Okay, next.
Hello, MC. Hello, Kelly Q.
Bulb.
Like a light bulb?
Yeah.
Ilaw. Ilaw.
No. Ilaw is light. The bulb.
Di ko alam. Di ko alam. Maliit na ilaw. Di ko alam talaga. Maliit na.
Bumbilya.
Ha?
Bumbilya.
Bumbilya?
Mm-mm.
It's good.
Cute na word, no? Cute word. Bumbilya.
Oh, I like this. Bumabilia. Parang Tagalog 101 dito, di ba?
Huh?
This is like Tagalog 101 dito. I should have called the stream Tagalog 101.
Oo nga. Marami ka namang natutunan.
Oo. May mga
Akala ko alam mo yung siko.
Oh, I already forgot. Bumabilia.
Bumbilya.
Oh, bumbilya. Bumbilya.
Bumbilya is bulb. Ilaw is light. Ito na lang. Lamp. Next. Lamp.
Di ko alam. Di ko alam.
Talaga? Mag-a-add ka lang ng 4 letters sa lamp. Ay, 3 letters sa lamp.
Really lang? What does it start with?
Lamp. And then 3 more letters.
Lampilia. Di ko alam. Lambrero. Lampara.
Medyo malapit. Lampara.
Lampara. Oh, it's so Spanish. Alam mo, diba? In fairness.
Sige, ito, sabi nila, Tagalog daw ng sand.
Sand? Like Manila Bay?
Oo, Tagalog ng sand.
Oh, can we go sunbathe at Manila Bay when I'm back?
Gusto mo mahuli na
wala akong idea talaga. Sand.
Buhangin.
Buhangin?
Oo, buhangin.
Like hangin.
It's like hangin, but with the boo. In the beginning. Buhangin.
Wait, you're lying. Are you lying? Oh, then bakit tumawa?
Totoo yun!
Oh, yeah, they're...
Hangin. Pero,
why is everyone laughing? Why is everyone laughing? Di ko get. Di ka man ng candy. Di ko get. Bakit tumawa ka?
I'm not joking, Frankie. You know what hangin means, diba? Hangin is the wind.
Yeah.
Oh.
Tapos?
Sand is hangin with the boo.
Sobrang weird yun. Sino invented that?
I'm not lying. Totoo yan. Buhangin.
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 I'm never gonna forget that. Buhangin. Sige.
Oo. Natuwa ako dun sa spelling. B-U. B-U. Buhangin.
No, B-U-O-O. Buhangin. Buhangin. Okay, sige.
Nakakasabaw. Nakakasabaw.
How many have we done? I swear we've done like 13.
Hindi ko alam. Nakailang tanong na ba ako kay Frankie? I lost count.
Sino naalo dito?
Baka nabilang nila. Nakailang questions na ako kay Frankie.
Who won, you guys? Talo si
Pero
Em.
talo si Frankie.
Talo si Boo. Panalo si Boo. Sino si Boo? Ako o siya? Bumabo.
Sino si Boo? Oh, di ba character yun sa ano? Si Baby Boo?
Pero, they told me to count it, pero
Diba?
I can choose dancing or singing. And what if gusto ko,
Oh,
yeah.
go, dance for us.
Pero did
Ano?
I win or did I
TikTok.
lose talaga? Did I lose talaga? Ikaw
You
may
lost
draw.
talaga.
Draw na kami.
Kasi I got 8 points. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4.5.
Sige. Joke lang. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna dance. I'm really not wearing that cute of an outfit, but what will I do, guys?
Sabi nila, at least you learned new Tagalog words.
Totoo.
Tama. Mm-mm.
Like, Cebu. Ang buhangin.
Buhangin. Yun yung tandaan niya.
Sobrang useful yung mga words. Salamat.
Buhangin.
Ano man? What's the song, guys? I'm gonna type in TikTok songs and see if it makes me want to dance. Oh my gosh, so what's that song that's like
Alam ko yun. Wow, thank you.
Funky Villa. Oh,
Thank you.
bye.
Alam ko yun. Yung sinasabi mong song. Yun yung sasayawin mo?
Oh, it's oh, I don't know the Bini Bini. Ikaw ang Go down. It really hurts. I'm just kidding. Just do this for 1 minute.
Ay, yun na lang. Yun na lang, Frankie. Go. No, you should do a real dance.
Oh, sige ka. Wait, oh, I know. Between. I think I've done
Go.
this already.
Frankie.
Ano next time? Between.
Ikaw ang bini na
Between? How do you spell it? Spell it dito?
Ano yan?
Pawi na ako. Sige, I'll try copy Diana's pawi na ako.
That song is so cute. I like that song.
Ronald.
Go!
I'm gonna have to hash that down. No, you can't say main way. Hindi ko alam talaga.
Makalimutan ko na din.
Is it like this? Teach
Yeah.
me.
Sige, let's do it together na lang para...
Ay, feeling ko sobrang gangsta na.
Jabberwocky si Frankie. Tara. Jabberwocky.
I love.
Oh my God. Okay, give me.
Why are the viewers increasing now? Can they not? Na ako. Sige, turo mo ko, ha?
Repeat the song, Pippa, from the top.
Yeah? From the top.
Nakalimutan ko na rin siya.
Anong first move?
Alam mo. Hindi ko na alam. Hindi ko na alam, Frankie. Ayan. Wait lang, hindi ko na alam to.
Oh, chorus lang.
Sa chorus na lang.
Na yun, di ba?
O yan.
Oh, what is the third part?
Nakakalimutan ko na, hindi ko na alam.
Ay, hindi ko alam talaga. I have to check it out, guys. I'm sorry. Yun na lang.
Pauwi na si Frankie, pauwi na si Frankie, pauwi na si Frankie, pauwi na. Hindi ka na malulungkot, malapit na si Frankie, pauwi na siya, pauwi na, baby.
Baby!
Pauwi na si Frankie, pauwi na, pauwi na. Pauwi na, hindi na siya malulungkot, malapit na si Frankie, pauwi na siya. Okay, pauwi na si Frankie.
Okay, do a body roll.
Go! Do a body roll.
Wait, can you not see in my hoodie?
Galing si Frankie dyan sa mga body rolls. What? What?
Diba?
Ang galing!
Wait, Diana, do a, Diana's really good at doing the snake on the floor.
Oh. Sino natalo? Ako, ikaw.
Sige ka.
On the floor pa?
Yeah, Diana's to do a snake on the floor.
Ano yun? Parang yung worm na binuhusan ng asin?
Worm.
Hindi ko alam yun. Ano yun? Yung gumaganon.
Ha! Kaya mo yan!
I can't do that, Frankie. I'm wearing a skirt.
Roll
Ikaw na kasi dancer ka naman today or Jabberwocky today, so go.
Boodle now. They're all gonna call you Boodle now. Guys, that was my 1 minute dance. Whew, with the help of Diana Mackey.
Go. Ano gagawin mo? Ano gagawin natin?
Wow, tapos na. Pagod na ako. Joke lang.
Wow. Yung totoo, ako atay natalo eh. Parang mas wala.